Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Gupta and here I am with another video which says how to study effectively for any exam. So these powerful tips will help you save more time, stay more focused and remember more frequently what you have studied for. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first point that you require to clear any exam or to start preparing for any exam is to know the exams inside out. And how can you know the exam inside out is by knowing what and why. What you're preparing for and why are you preparing for. Is the exam worth preparing for? And what you are preparing for, like the exam pattern, the syllabus, the previous year question paper. Why previous year question paper? Because it will help you focus on high yielding topics. Don't just study blindly, but focus on those topics that are really, really important for your exams. So, first point is to know the exams inside out. After knowing the exam pattern, the syllabus, and the previous year question paper, the important topics, you should build your own foundation. How can you build your foundation is by preparing a timetable. The timetable must be your own personalized timetable. You don't just copy another's timetable because it cannot suits you, and it can be daily revised or weekly revised. You, along with preparing timetable, you should set timelines, deadlines to achieve particular goals and targets. For example, if you want to complete a single subject and you have allotted 10 days to complete the subject, then you must prepare a timetable according to the 10 days and plus 1 or 2 days you can take extra to complete that subject. So you must set daily reminders, a weekly set deadlines and timelines. Then you must know the total subjects and you can categorize the total subjects into two categories, like it can be major or minor. Major, which accounts for more number of questions in your exam, and minor, which accounts for low number of questions in exam. So the main focus should be on the major subjects if you have less amount of time. Then reliable sources of preparation. You must not run after every single source of information. You must have at least one single reliable source of information that you can be relied. Then after that, having reliable source of information along with that, preparing your own notes is very important. You should start focusing on active recalling. So what is active recalling? There are two terms. First is passive reading and second is active recalling. We should do active recalling more than passive reading. Passive reading is just normal reading. Active recalling is you are asking questions from you. You are revising it. You are talking it loud to yourself. The concept that you are studying, you are talking it loud. You are teaching it to yourself in the mirror, or you are teaching it to your friends. So that is active recalling. Practice more of active recalling. Then third is practice, practice, practice. For example, if you have completed one topic in your week, in the first week, you have completed one topic. So you can practice topic wise MCQ so that the topic can be fully polished. And if you have any doubt or if you have any confusion related to that topic, that confusion can be then and there erased by practicing MCQ. You should also prepare an error log, and this error log which help you in the future, which will help you in the last remaining days before your examination. So error log must contain all the MCQs that were wrong, incorrect, or concept was confusing. So error log must be prepared, and along with error log, focusing on high yielding topics that are more frequently asked in your final exams. Then revision. So revision is the game changer. You are studying, you have prepared notes, you have practiced topic wise MCQ, but you're not revising the topic, so you will forget eventually. So revision is a game changer. You must practice revision, and revision can be done after each week at least. Revision can be best done by preparing flashcards, mnemonics, flowcharts so that you can remember the topics more effectively. Key points in your last week notebook. Then, mock test and analysis. Just preparing notes, just revising is not enough. If you haven't practiced any mock test or any questions, then it is a waste of time. So, practicing mock test and not just practicing it but analyzing your weaknesses, the weak areas that you need to improve is also very important part. So weekly mock test and also the simulation of exam condition, like for example the exam will start by 10 to 12, so you must simulate that similar exam condition at that very particular point of time. You should start your exam, the mock test, without any distraction, and you should attempt the questions seriously like this is your final exam. So simulation is important. Then checking for accuracy. You have attempted mock test but you haven't checked it, you haven't revised it, you haven't analyzed it, so it is a waste of time. So accuracy must be checked. Along with that, the incorrect questions along with the incorrect questions answers rationally, and also not just reading the rationale, not just passively reading the rationale, but also to note it down in your error log is also very important. So whenever you are revising it for the last minute before just before your examination, you can just revise the error log notebooks. Then along with these points, the habits that will actually make you excel in any examination is the time management. You can have the Pomodoro technique to increase your concentration. It can be done for 20 minutes and 10 minutes break, or 50 minutes or 10 minutes break, whatever suits you according to your concentration. Like you can study for 50 minutes and then you can take 10 minutes break, then another session of 15 minutes and another 10 minutes of break, so that you can have a concentrated environment. Then the consistency is important. Sleep adequately, at least 7 to 8 hours, so that your mind and body can work effectively and can remember effectively. Eat well, eat healthy, exercise lightly to stay active, and stay positive. Always write positive affirmations during your preparation. I know there are some negative points that comes in our mind. What if I fail? What if I don't achieve the target? What if I don't achieve the goal? What if I just have the negative results? So stay positive is very important during your preparation. Having positive affirmations to yourself, having positive talk to yourself, and talking to your family, friends, and relatives, or whatever, whoever, which makes you feel good is very important. And at last, there is a strategy triad. You must have read about epidemiological triad, which says there are three things: agent, host, and environment. Same, likewise, we are having strategy triad, which says the three things which are very important for any preparation is your theory, revision, and previous year question paper. So I hope these strategies will help you in excelling your exams and you'll be able to study effectively after these strategies. So thank you, and do comment below what exam you're preparing for, and do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.